So I'm ready with my questions. He's not. And when I asked him if he's done, he's getting pissed. Are you done? Okay, so if we get the answer wrong, then we put our heads in this water bowl that you see here, but only with a twist. We're going to fill this water bowl with ice. So that's what it is going to happen. So he's going to be, okay, I'm going to be asking a question first. Careful. Very less ice, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm going to be asking the questions first. Okay, then you have to sit here. Okay, so the question that I'm going to ask is not like, general questions wherein, guess my birthday and all of that stuff, or guess my favorite color. So it's not like, it's not like right and wrong. But if we find that the answer is very relevant, then that would be considered as the right answer. But if I'm not happy with the answer, then I'm going to dump your head in the water. Okay? And he just did his hair for the video and his hair is going to get ruined now.
You have told me this before.
I didn't ask you to do your hair.
I'll get it right. She's the one who's going to get it wrong.
Okay. First question, I want to see what you answer. The first question is, what's the strangest food combo I enjoy?
Strangest food combo that you enjoy? I think your fried rice with different curries.
Fried rice with different curries? What does that mean? Yeah. Everybody eats curry with fried rice.
No, I generally don't prefer.
But what's the curry that I eat it with? I told you this. I have a weird combo with fried rice and there's some other gravy.
Butter chicken.
Yes. I love that combo.
See, I told you I'll get it right.
Yeah, you got this one right.
Okay. I get everything right, don't worry.
So, okay, my next question is, if I was arrested with no explanation, and then you got a call, what would you assume that I got arrested for?
Stealing food.
Stealing food? Okay. Stealing food? Fine. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, I know.
I'm annoyed.
She's not able to put my head inside this.
No, the ice just melted.
Obviously, it's so hot here.
Okay, if I had to survive in the wild for 24 hours, what's the first thing I would do?
Call me.
No, if I had to survive in the wild, I wouldn't have a phone.
Okay. If you had to survive in the wild for 24 hours.
Yeah, what's the first thing I would do?
You would scream.
I was thinking I would sit and cry.
No, but I told you it's right.
So mean. If I woke up as the opposite gender for a day, what's the first thing I would do?
You would check your willy.
Why would I do that?
I don't know, because you don't have. What? Yeah, obviously I will come on. Who wouldn't?
Okay, fine. Okay, whatever, Vangshi. Okay, you're giving good answers. Okay, what's the absolute worst job for me based on my personality?
CEO.
That's so rude. You dunk your face for rude. You just saying I can't be CEO. So mean. So mean you are.
Just cheating, I answered it right.
You are rude. Just keep saying.
It's not rude. I'm just telling you.
What's the most delulu thing I believe about myself?
You want me to answer it honestly? Huh?
I'm gonna kill you after this.
Yeah, she's gonna kill me. But anyways, I have to answer, so.
What's the most delulu thing?
You think you know everything? Oh, this job is not good for me. Didn't have to.
The idea is to speak. There's no to not speak too much. What's the weirdest nickname I've ever given you?
You want me to say?
Yeah. What the?
Bubbles.
Yeah, that is true. That is correct.
Next. Bring it
I'm
on.
gonna ask some, very positive questions now. Okay. We
You
don't
cannot
know.
be so.
No, just this one. Okay. What's the one thing I confidently explain to people, but I actually have no clue about? He's thinking.
Confidently explain to people when you have no clue about. I think you don't speak on this.
I do speak.
Oh, yeah, she does. To Lallu. Oh, our friend Rahul.
What do I speak to Lallu? You're not giving good answers. You're not.
But I
that's
gave.
not-
I think,
so
no,
if-
I'll tell. I was
if-
just joking. I think about baking.
I'm very confident baking, and I don't understand that.
You understand that, but you think that other people don't understand, so I can just manipulate them.
That's not the question.
Okay.
The question itself is, what is something that I'm confident in, but I don't know about it. He's saying I'm not confident in it.
I don't know. What is it? What is it?
That's so rude.
I don't know. What is it?
Okay, if I was a rapper, what would my rap name be?
Stoner.
Is it?
Gemstone Ruby.
My rapper's rap name is Stoner. That sounds very wrong.
It's not wrong. I mean, come on.
Okay, the last question.
If
You win.
MC Stan can do, then you can also.
Um,
my head.
So my last question is, if I were a sound, what would I be? You better be nice and answer this.
If you were a sound,
What would I be?
you'd be a soothing sound.
I would be a soothing sound. You're lying. You're lying, right?
No,
Huh?
no, really.
I would be a soothing sound. Why do I feel you're lying?
I'm
Okay,
not.
that's what I have. He's gonna ask very stupid questions. I know.
See my ass.
Your hair. And I didn't ask you to do your hair.
Okay, guys.
Woohoo!
She's gonna drink all this water because
Shit.
your head will be inside forever. Be ready. The most awkward thing that I have ever done with you.
Awkward thing you have done with me.
Yeah.
I think you don't, before towards the beginning, you should not even speak. And then it used to be so awkward. Yeah, you should not like share what you're feeling or like your opinion. So it was a very awkward situation in the relationship, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always shared with you.
No, towards the beginning you never did. It was like very awkward. I think that would be the awkward situation. What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
I was thinking. I thought you would say something else.
Nice. Why? It's like an awkward question. So,
Okay, let's say if I was a type of drink.
type.
Type.
Oh, type.
Not type.
Your type of drink, okay?
Yes. What would I be?
Cock.
Drink? No.
Coke.
Coke. Okay, not that drink.
And then
Hard drink.
hard drink. I don't know. Maybe I think.
Okay.
Beer.
Shit. Yeah, yuck. I don't like beer.
Stupid. That's my choice, right?
It's
What I
yours, but
select.
your answer is wrong. Man.
What, whiskey? For
What?
someone who doesn't drink alcohol, you shouldn't be asking the question.
Still, what is the silliest thing that I have done to impress you?
This should be easy.
I wonder. Let me hear it. How easy it is.
God. I think there's nothing silly. You've not done anything silly. What is a silly thing you've done? Then you put up a fake accent.
What?
That's
I never had a fake accent.
Yeah, you did.
When?
You did.
When?
Sometime. Okay, let me tie my hair if you're gonna dunk my face.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm going in. I wish we had whipping cream. That would be hilarious. Forget this. He's got all his questions by hearted. Oh my god.
Now the real questions.
Don't ask me like personal
What is the most embarrassing
thing you've
thing
done.
I have done in public with you?
Come on, how would I know this now? There's nothing embarrassing.
In public? Nothing.
In public, what is it? I wouldn't know, to be honest. I don't think you've done anything embarrassing to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you keep saying, yeah, embarrassing. Embarrassing. Do I do this?
Oh no way, I've never said that thing to you. I've never said that you embarrass me. That I've never.
Yeah, I remember when we were in that Zara store. They don't do this, embarrassing me.
What did you do there?
And I was trying out some dress.
He's never tried on a dress at Zara.
I just kept it like, how does it look?
You're making me sound mean. First of all, you've never done that, okay? He's lying. I never remember you, and why would I tell you that you're embarrassing me? So yeah, I get brownie points for this. You've never embarrassed me. Next question. Next shift.
If we had to travel to one country that I like and you don't, what do you think I would answer? I'm not asking about name a country.
Okay.
I'm saying, let's say I wanted to visit
that.
to Italy, and then
And I
you don't
don't
like it. And then what do you think I would answer?
What do you think you would answer? What do you think I would answer?
No, I would answer.
You would say, let's go. No, you would say if you knew that I didn't like that country.
Yeah, obviously. That's
you
what I
would
told
say, let's not go there. You would say, let's choose a country which I like. Yeah, my questions were way better. It was interesting.
Yeah, sure. Interesting.
Next question. I know you too well now. That I dug my
What
face.
is
when
the thing that scares
you?
you
Me? You, your face.
about?
Okay, ask me the question, no?
Yeah, I asked you.
What is the thing that scares me the most about you?
Yeah,
I told you.
my face. My face is not scary, man.
Something that scares me about you. I'm not scared of you. You should be scared of me. You're scared of me. I'm not scared of you.
Scary.
But I don't think there's anything that scares me about you.
What do you like about me?
This will be getting romantic. I get scared of you eating too much of sweets. That scares me.
I don't eat too much of sweets.
We'll discuss that off camera. Okay, next question.
If I was an animal, what animal would I be? Don't say donkey, gorilla.
Hippo.
Why?
No, I'm joking. Let me think. I think you're like I don't know, but I'm just saying like I think you're like I told you before. I have a feeling that you're like a dog.
Excuse me?
Not like that. I feel like you're like you have a very husky vibe type, you know. No, not husky, a golden retriever type vibe to it.
I was happy with the answer. The answer is wrong.
But
I should look your face because your answer
No.
should match mine.
so I thought of like saying husky, but the thing is that he's not dramatic. I'm the one who's dramatic. Huskies are very dramatic, but I get it.
Not
like,
all huskies are there.
yeah, they have that, you know, attitude and that vibe to them. But like, yeah, that maybe yes, but you're like more like a golden retriever. I feel you're very friendly and stuff, like, you know, not approachable, but yeah.
What?
Next question. How many times have I done my? Aren't you
I
done?
asked
You're
7
done?
already.
7?
Yeah.
Who won? I dunked my face only twice.
3 times. 3 times. I did
So
it twice.
you also
No.
3 times.
Once you did it without like anything, you're like, oh, dunk it.
Yeah, because you're being rude.
I was not rude.
Okay, that's
If honesty is considered as rude, comment guys. Comment.
that's so mean.
Comment.
Okay, you're too honest.
What? To be honest.
He learned that from me. Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
True. I agree. I learned that from her.
yes. Being honest. Okay, so we're gonna end this vlog. Let me move this aside.
Yeah. You can take shower after this.
Shower
With that.
in that. Come closer.
I can't.
Not you, the camera. I'm telling you. Okay, so we're gonna end this vlog. If you kind of like enjoyed this vlog, then hit that like button and
Smash it.
smash it and follow us for more fun videos. Until then, see you in the next
See
vlog.
you. Bye bye. Sayonara.
Bye.